All of us know that this is the spectrum of coronary artery disease from acute to chronic, and sudden cardiac arrest due to ventricular tachyarrhythmias can occur at any stage. It can occur due to acute ischemia, acute myocardial infarction, or scar-related, remodeled, dilated LV. So sudden cardiac death can occur any point of time. What we have to remember, the first figure, 48 hours. When we are talking about ventricular tachyarrhythmias, less than 48 hours post-MI, this is early ventricular tachycardia or ventricular fibrillation. We call it primary VT or VF. Beyond 48 hours, it's late VT-VF or secondary VT-VF. The mechanism of both are different. So this is something you have to understand. Before 48 hours post-MI and beyond 48 hours post-MI. Primary VT occurs in first 48 hours period after MI, and acute ischemia is directly responsible. And patients will get polymorphic VT of this type. Immediate life-threatening issues need to be managed optimally. Otherwise, this can cause sudden cardiac death. We all know sudden cardiac death may be the first presentation of coronary artery disease in almost 40% of the patients. So, Gusto trial we've all heard of. This was published in 95, 40,000 patients. Approximately 10% of the patients had ventricular tachyarrhythmias, 3% VT, 4% VF, and another 3% both VT and VF. And ventricular fibrillation, as we all know, is a giant killer. In this trial, it was found that patients who had both VT and VF, early VT and VF, the 1-year mortality was almost 50%. This was much, much worse compared to those patients who did not have these